Are geckos disturbing your home and making you uncomfortable at night? Here is a simple and natural remedy you can try at home. To make this natural repellent, you will need a few ingredients: camphor, garlic, onions, and hot water. To begin, take 1 medium-sized onions and a few cloves of garlic. Remove the outer skins and slice the onions into small pieces to make it easier to crush. Transfer the sliced onions into a small mortar, add the garlic and use a pestle to pound everything together thoroughly. Continue crushing until the mixture becomes soft and release its natural juices. Next, place the camphor into a bowl. Carefully pour hot water into the bowl and stir until the camphor dissolves completely. Be cautious when handling hot water to avoid burns. Once the camphor has completely dissolved in the hot water, it's time to add the pounded onions and garlic mixture. Carefully transfer the crushed onions and garlic into the bowl containing the camphor solution. As you add the mixture, you will notice the strong aroma beginning to develop. This combination of ingredients is what makes the solution effective in helping to repel geckos and other household insects. After adding the pounded mixture, use a spoon to stir everything thoroughly together. Ensure that the onions and garlic juices are well incorporated into the camphor water. This allows the natural properties of each ingredient to blend properly, creating a more potent and effective repellent. After mixing the ingredients, cover the bowl and allow the mixture to sit for about 30 minutes. This resting time helps the ingredient blend properly. Once it has infused, sieve the mixture to remove the solid particles and collect the liquid in a clean container. Now the mixture is ready. Pour it into a clean spray bottle and spray it around corners, behind furniture and other hiding places where geckos stay. This natural solution is affordable, easy to make and free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for your home. For best results, apply every few days and keep your environment clean to prevent them from coming back. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Esecancook for more simple home solutions. Thank you for watching. Bye.